Let us start exercise number 2.4. Now let us do our next exercise, that is 2.4. Fine. Now dear student, here 12 divides 3 by 4. How to do such kind of a sum? It's very simple. You just need to convert this division into multiplication. While converting, you have to reciprocal this value. See how it's work. 12 multiply, in place of division sign I put multiply. You have to reciprocal whatever the value are there on the right hand side of division sign. So just you need to reciprocal this value. 3 by 4 will become 4 by 3. Then you multiply. Don't do direct cancellation. 12 4s are 48. Now here highest common factor is 3. It is possible to divide 48 by 3. Now 48 divides 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are 18. So that is 16 by 1 whole fraction. Now next one. Convert this division into multiple sign. While converting, reciprocal it. 14 6. Now 14 6. 14 6. That is 84. Now if it is possible, you can convert it into mixed fraction because it is improper fraction. See how we have to convert. You have to divide 84 by 5. 5 ones are 5. Then 6 are 30 and 4 remainder. That is 5 16s are 80 plus 4 84. 16 integer 4 by 5. Then 8 multiply by 3 by 7. 8 3s are, that is 24. Improper fraction converted into mixed fraction. 7 3s are 21 plus 3. 7 3s are 21 plus 3. 24. 3 integer 3 by 7. Next one. 4 multiply by 3 by 8. That is 4 3s are by 8. Here dear student, highest common factor is 4. 3 4s are 12 by 8. Divided by 4. So 12 divided 4 gives 3. 8 divided 4 gives 2. And you are getting 3 by 2. That is 1 integer 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. Then 3. First you convert this value. 2 3 are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Then you need to convert this division into multiple. So while converting, reciprocally 7 by 3 will become 3 by 7. 3 3s are 9. Now not possible to reduce. So 7 1s are 7 plus 2 9. 1 integer 2 by 7. Then 5. Also convert this value. 7 3s are 21 plus 4 5. 25. Then while converting division into multiplication, reciprocal it. Then 7 5s are 5 7s are, that is 35. In this highest common factor is 5. So 35 divides 5 gives 7. 25 divides 5 gives 5. So 5 ones are 5 plus 2. Now let us do question number 2. Find the reciprocal of the following. Classify the reciprocal as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole numbers. Now dear student, here first we have to reciprocal all the following fraction. Then we have to find whether it is proper fraction, improper fraction or whole numbers. So let us start. Reciprocal it. Reciprocal of 3 by 7 gives 7 by 3. Here numerator is greater than denominator, that means it is improper fraction. Therefore 7 by 3 is improper fraction. Then reciprocal of 5 by 8 gives 8 by 5. You no need to convert it into a mixed fraction, just reciprocal. So here also numerator is greater than denominator. So therefore 8 by 5 is improper fraction. Then 9 by 7. Reciprocal of 9 by 7 gives 7 by 9. Then write down, therefore 7 by 9, here numerator is less than denominator, therefore it is proper fraction. Therefore it is proper fraction. 12 by 7. Reciprocal of 12 by 7 is 7 by 12. Here also numerator less than denominator, that means therefore 7 by 12 is proper fraction. You can write is or you can put arrow. Then reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. Here also numerator less than denominator, therefore 5 by 6 is proper fraction. 1 by 8. Reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1. That means 1 has no value, 8 is a whole number. Then here also 1 by 11, reciprocal of 1 by 11 is 11 by 1. 1 has no value, that means therefore 11 is a whole number. Question number 3. It is similar to question number 1. That is, previously that whole number was on the left of this sign, and now the fraction is on your left and whole number on your right of this division sign. It is very simple, same method. While converting this division to multiply, we know that we have to reciprocal whatever the value toward the right of division sign. 9, 7 by 3. Now, while converting this division sign to multiple, the 2 will become 1 by 2. Then 7 1s are and 3 2s are. 7 1s are 7, 2 3s are 6. Not possible to reduce, so 6 1s are 6 plus 1 gives 7. Convert this improper to mixed fraction. Here also 4 by 9, convert this division to multiple, so 5 will become 1 by 5. Then 4 1s are and 9 5s are. That is 4 1s are 4 and 9 5s are 45. So here also you have to keep as it is, not possible to convert into mixed fraction. Then 6 by 13. So 6 by 13 as it is, convert this division to multiple, 7 will become 1 by 7. That is 6 1s are 6 and 13 7s are. 6 1s are 6, 13 7s are 7 3s are 21. 7 1s are 7 plus 2 9. Here also not possible to convert into mix. Now here first, before converting this division sign to multiple, first you need to convert this value. So 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13 by 3. Then as it is, then what you need to do is 13 by 3. Now you convert this division sign to multiple sign, that is 3 will become 1 by 3. That means 13 1s are and 3 3s are. So 13 1s are 13 and 3 3s are 9. That means what? 9 1s are 9 plus 4 gives 13. Then convert this value. That is 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Now here convert this division to multiple, 4 will become 1 upon 4. That is 7 ones are and 2 fours are. 7 ones are 7 and 2 fours are 8. Here not possible to convert into mixed fraction. Now 4 sevens are 28, 28 plus 3, 31. Now convert this division to multiple. While converting, 7 will become 1 upon 7. So 31 ones are and 7 sevens are. So 31 ones are 31, 7 sevens are 49. Not possible to convert into mixed fraction because it is a proper fraction. Let us see question number 4. Find 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Very easy. As I told you, you have to write down this value as it is. Then convert this division to multiple. So 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1 as I told you earlier. Then multiply 2 2s are 4 and 5 1s are 5. So you have to show it in the next step in this way. That is 2 2s are and 5 1s are. That is 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5. It is a proper fraction, not possible to convert it to mixed fraction. Now next one, 4 by 9 will remain as it is. In place of division, put multiple sign. 2 by 3. While converting this division to multiple, you have to reciprocal the value, whatever the value toward the right of this sign. That is 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. Then 4 3s are and 9 2s are. 4 3s are 12 and 9 2s are 18. Now here highest common factor is 6. So both value you have to divide by 6. So 12 divided 6 gives 2 and 18 divided 6 gives 3. It is also a proper fraction. Now here 3 by 7 as it is. Divides, in place of divide put multiple. 8 by 7 will become 7 by 8. Then multiply 3 7s are and 7 8s are. 3 7s are 21 and 7 8s are 56. Here highest common factor is 7. So divide by 7, divide by 7. So 21 divided 7 gives 3. 56 divided 7 gives 8. That is 3 by 8 proper fraction. Then convert this thing to 3 the 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Division as it is. Then in next step you convert this division to multiple. That is, in place of division put multiple sign. 3 by 5 will become 5 by 3. Then 7 5s are 35 and 3 3s are 9. Now dear student, here nothing is common. So what you will do, just convert. This is a improper fraction. You can convert into a mixed fraction. 9 4s are 36. So 9 3s are, you have to take 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 8 35. Now let us see the next one. That is 3 integer 1 by 2. So first convert this value. 2 3 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Then 8 by 3 as it is. Then in next step you need to reciprocal it. That is 7 by 2 multiply by 3 by 8. Now that is 7 3s are and 2 8s are. 7 3s are 21, 2 8s are 16. Nothing is common. So here also now 7 3s are 21 and 2 8s are 16. So what you will do? This is an improper fraction. Convert it to mixed fraction. 16 1s are 16 plus 5. That is 21 by 16. Then here 2 5s are put as it is. Why? Because first you have to convert this value. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Then in next step you convert this division to multiple sign. And while converting you need to reciprocal this value. 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3. Then 2 2s are 4. Then in next step what you will do? That is 2 into 2 and 5 into 3. 2 2s are 4 and 3 5s are 15. It is a proper fraction. So no need to convert into mixed fraction. Then here 3 integer 1 by 5. First you convert this value. 3 by 15 plus 1 16 by 5. As it is, you have to convert this value. 2 3 is 6 plus 1. 2 3 is 6. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5 by 3. Then in next step convert this division to multiple. While converting, 5 by 3 will become 3 by 5. Then 16 3s are 3 6 are 18 plus 1 3 1s are 3 48 and 5 5s are 25. Then convert this improper to mixed fraction. 25 2s are 50, so not possible. 25 1s are 25. Then plus 23. 25 plus 23 is 48. Then Next one, last one, that is convert this value. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11 by 5. 5 is 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. Then convert it. This division into multiple. 6 by 5 will become 5 by 6. Then that is 11 into 5 and 5 into 6. 11 5s are 55 and 6 5s are 30. Now not possible to reduce here. What you will do? Yes, highest common factor is 5. So divide both the value by 5. The 55 divided 5 is 11 and 30 divided 5 is 6. Now in next step, this is a improper fraction. Convert into mixed fraction. 6 1s are 6 plus 5. Or you can write it over here. 6 1s are 6 plus 5.
Thanks for watching. Please do share, likes and subscribe my channel for latest update.